Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the TP-Link SG105 with the TP-Link SG105E and what are the two, what are a few differences here. So first thing, the ports are the same, so both got the same ports, so in that regard there isn't difference. But then you're gonna have quality of service where you're gonna have E there. So here you're gonna have storm control, rate limit, all of that, so that's good. Both got the EGMP snooping. Then VLAN support is better for 105 only because you have, let me show you right here, VLAN supports to 30 VLAN simulative out of 4K VLAN IDs, so that's good. And here you just don't have it, right? So this is first thing. Then link aggregation, you're gonna have it. Another thing, port mirroring, cable diagnostics, loop prevention. So that's really good that you don't just have L2 features. That you don't have it just with the 105 without E. So then you're gonna have management interchangeable through the web user interface downloadable utility. Then better standard and protocols. Then you're gonna have the better is max power consumption, and SG105 got better max heat dissipation. And then also advanced features are better for 105E. The package contents are like similar. So for me is when you can see here and when you can afford it, I think the 105E is just better regards the things. But the thing is, if you actually need it, right? Because the ports are the same, but you can have quality of service better, IGMP snooping, VLAN support, you can have port mirroring, cable diagnostics, loop prevention, standard protocols management. That's something you don't have, so with the 105. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.